at the airport. Having vanilla oat latte. Ang haba. Tomato. Che macello sto video. Ci video per i tuoi vlog. Prego, amore. We arrived finally. Hey guys, it's me, Cami. I thought I'd make this voiceover to give you a bit more information about this beautiful apartment, which we booked through booking.com and paid £237 for 4 days and 3 nights. Sorry if I sound a little bit congested, but I've been sick for a whole month, so bear with me. Anyway, we love this apartment. The only thing is it's only for 2 people, as they don't provide extra beds. However, it's perfect for couples or travel with your bestie kind of thing. And yeah, as you can see, it was so clean and well maintained. It provided so many amenities, and it was pretty spacious for 2 people, I would say. And also, the location was fantastic. We arrived at around 9 in the evening, and it was only around 5-10 minutes by car. And it is very accessible to Corfu Old Town and the restaurants, and there was also the bus terminal nearby, which was great for exploring the popular places. And we wanted to rent a car, but all the rental cars were fully booked, so I suggest to book in advance just in case. And okay, here is the main bathroom, so spacious and clean, and there was also a washing machine, which was super convenient, and there was everything that you needed, like shampoo, conditioner, and clean towels. I always bring mine just in case. And here there was also more storage space in the back. And one of my favorite things about this apartment was the balcony. We actually used it when we washed our clothes. Yeah, they provide like a rack, and it was so nice during the night looking at the stars. By the way, this is not sponsored. I sound like someone paid me to do this, but no, we genuinely love this place. And yeah, just wanted to share it. And now back to the vlog. We are ready. So today we are planning to go to Palaiokastritsa, I think. Hopefully we'll arrive today.
Yeah, we will.
We are little, getting some snacks. We got some drinks, some bars. Pues si aspetta lì.
bellissimo l'acqua.
Sì.
Proprio un slide.
사실은 we're going to visit the caves. Mare. She said to me she'd rather be tied down and let uncertainty get the best, but he wants to play outside. Darling, won't you come and rest with me? Beautiful. But he wants to have some fun tonight. So hold my hand and don't think away. Maybe we have a future, or maybe we won't last another while. Darling, won't you come and rest with second outfit. Another day. Ciao amore.
Ma che tipo di genere sono?
Sì, questi. Wow, it's beautiful.
Perché come questa finestrina qui? No. Che bella.
So beautiful here.
Così non arriveremo mai su però.
We're hiking this mountain here. I don't know if you can see.
Sopra è più bello.
We're on top of a mountain. Chi li compra?
Quella che fa così che non
Sì.
si vede lo stick.
Ah, quello là, Insta 360. Andiamo.
Sì, ma Il compleanno mio lo compro così quando facciamo i viaggi.
Brava.
Sta tanto.
Costa 500 pound. So it's about 16 minutes walk from the nearest beach, which I don't remember the name, the beach. But 16 minutes walk if you want to see the monastery. Woo! This is a good exercise. They said that if you go to Corfu in Palaiokastritsa, you must go in here. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, careful, there's a car. Bye, More.
Yes.
Okay, we're almost there.
You can see the sunset.
Yeah.
You see, it wasn't in the plan.
No.
That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, this was very
Not planned.
spontaneous. Yeah.
Because I like traveling without planning. It's okay, I know you like that.
Vuoi le foto?
No.
Ti vuoi entrare qua? Sì. Wow, so pretty. Oh my.
Wow.
Wow. Breathtaking.
Che bello.
You're right here. So beautiful. Maybe you can't see us, but we leave it like that.
Ang daming
Oh my god.
bello, amore. Che bello. Guarda che foto. Bello.
Okay.
Vuoi cambiare outfit?
No, è che
Forse non è il ciclo.
sì, non mi sento the best. Però sono felice.
Ang ganda ng footage mo.
Sì.
Secondo me devi andare là.
Che senso?
Quando cammini.
Ah sì.
Vai. Guarda così del filo. I fili. Tipo così. We don't have wine, so just gonna have grapes. Cheers.
Dio, non ce la faccio.
Dove si balla? Cerchiamo. Devo ballare?
Non c'ho l'outfit.
Lo abbiamo sicuramente. Io metto con una tonda.
Ok, vediamo. Vediamo dove.
Sì. Oppure possiamo farlo domani sera, che è sabato. Sera.
Sì, sabato
Oh
sera.
my god, this is so nice. Sit back your happy.
Sì, già. Sì. Amore, sei rosa. Wow.
Dai.
Ultimo.